Welcome to Book Hogs. Today we're going to learn how to write lowercase v and then look at some words that begin with the letter. So let's begin. Lowercase v is written in between the two lines and you write it in the lower half of the two lines. Like this. Now let's look at some words that begin with the letter. V for vest. V for volcano. V for vitamin. V for violin. And V for vulture. If you like this video, please support our channel. It really does help. Give this video the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. We also have free worksheets on our website. Visit bookhogs.com. Thanks so much for watching.